This is the Daitsu CDV 59 Hydrobox controller, the control center of your heat pump system. It controls domestic hot water and underfloor heating. It decides when to heat the water for your shower and when to heat the floor. These 4 everyday controls are all you normally need throughout the year. It is touch sensitive and has 6 control areas. Along the top, minus, power and plus. Along the bottom, function, water floor enter and mode. The top 2 areas lower and raise the temperature. The center area switches the system on and off. First function, switching between hot water and underfloor heating. Use water floor enter. This is important and comes directly from the manual. No units can be running when you switch between them. If any are running, switch them off first. Second function, switching the hot water on and off with the power control. You must be on the hot water screen. If the underfloor screen is open, first use water floor enter. Third function, setting the hot water temperature with plus and minus. Each touch changes it by 1 degree. The range starts at 35 degrees and goes up to your system's maximum. The factory setting is 50 degrees. Fourth function, switching the underfloor heating on and off. Use the same power control, but from the underfloor heating screen. Fifth function, setting the underfloor heating temperature, again with plus and minus. The range is different here, from 25 degrees up to the maximum leaving water temperature. The factory setting is 40 degrees. The final everyday function is the child lock. Touch plus and minus together for 5 seconds and the controller locks. To unlock it, touch both controls again. The padlock disappears and the controller responds normally. That is everything you need for everyday use. The remaining functions in the manual are installer settings and should be left to the technician. Before we finish, here is what we do at JSL Mallorca, in case you ever need us. We install and repair heat pumps and underfloor heating, air conditioning, electrical systems and EV chargers, plumbing and water treatment, and solar panels. And so there are no surprises. Here is what we do not do. We do not provide emergency call-outs. We work by appointment so we can do the job properly, without rushing. If you want your system to last and use less energy, an annual service is the sensible choice. We can take care of it for you. Call us on +34 609 09 8902 or 656 82 7925. Write to info@jslorca.com or visit jslorca.com. Quotes are free and with no obligation. If this guide helped, please give it a like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments which system you have or what you would like us to explain next.